Good morning. Here we go, 5:30 in the morning. I came out to check the sunrise, but I find a new friend here. We got until 10 this morning. I wanted to get the sunrise here on the river. There's one of those Vietnamese hats. Yeah, wow, that's nice. Maybe a photo to take. Let's see what we can do. All right, let's the day begin. Woo! Took loads, but this one with the boat in the background, I think that could be the picture of the day, guys. Definitely good tip. Wake up as soon as you can. Just enjoy the whole day. I'm trying to find the right drone spot. Check this fella, guys. So cute. The sun is coming out there. You can just sit here and fly. Yeah, the market starting as well, so we might go there. Is it drone time? It's drone time. Good morning. Well, I guess that was a good start of the day, and now breakfast time. It's only 7, not even 7 o'clock in the morning. I met some local guys. It's good stuff. We're in the market, look how lively it is. It's great.
So this is durian.
Okay.
It supposedly stinks, but honestly, I must misremember because this tastes pretty good. And it
Guys, let's try this.
No, it smells good. This can't be the same.
Durian? It's not bad.
Of course, I would have this is really it.
You ate the nut?
I just eat everything.
I don't know, you just ate the nut.
It's like a Brazilian nut. Just eat everything, man.
Just eating Michael.
It's pretty good.
Is it?
Durian.
Yes.
We got fresh meat. We're in the indoor market now. It's pretty cool. People are lovely here. I took some nice close-ups, I think. So if you guys want to take some close-ups, ask the people. They're really friendly and they just smile and they're ready for the pictures in Asian way. Market is really good. You need to visit if you pass by. It's great. We're exploring this cafe to get a serious coffee, hopefully. It's pretty nice. Let's try this coffee.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty damn nice.
So we're in this place for oodles of noodles. It's a demonstration of how to make noodles, and we're gonna taste some as well. We're gonna get into this little noodle bar and check what these guys are doing.
Nice to meet you, everyone. This cooking class today is specially designed for you, travelers from Vietnam.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Master.
Happy of your own noodle thingy?
Very much.
So we're now, guys, tasting our We're actually having some proper noodles right now. We're gonna wander around for an hour and a half before we actually get the bikes and cycle in the countryside. So let's see if we can find some temples and check them out. Well, I just got myself the tickets for the temples. I think we can visit 4 places with 120,000 dong, which is around £4, British pound. So pretty good deal. Alright, first one, here we go.
Hello again. I got a ticket.
I was just walking on the main road and I see this amazing alley where no one goes. So these are the things you want to explore or take into consideration when you think about photography and videography, like places where no one dares to go or times where no one dares to wake up, you know. That's a tip again, to take some nice photos or different photos from anyone else, I guess. Do you think I'm ready for biking? Are you guys ready? Because I'm not. Seems like 2 days went by already. Waking up at 5:30. We're gonna meet here, all the guys now, next to reception. Squeezed in a taxi.
Very much so.
How many are we in here?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the driver. Wow. Adventure time. Ciao. Whew. So I'm trying to get some shots, quick shots, video shots and photo shots of things I see on the go. So on the bike, stopping for a second, changing the settings. It's hard work, guys, like you need commitment to do this stuff. But there's a nice buffalo here, so let's take some shots. He's looking at us, let me see.
I love the one that got away. Despite it all, you couldn't stay.
Right, people, quick update. So with Tong, we're gonna do some drone time.
We're in Cha Kwe organic farm, so in the village where they produce most of the vegetables for Hội An market.
And all my plans are now committed to the past. There's one thing that I've taken from this.
Wow, guys, I'm the last one as always. But this countryside is amazing. I can't miss a shot. Like, wow, look at this thing. Like, look.
Something that you cannot deny. I'm blessed and you're the one.
Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know if you can see there. Look at the sunset. That's great. So we just had some rice wine tasting right here in this local, like, farmer house. Really local, really traditional stuff, and really good.
This is where you go back and view it later. You realise your eyes are like that as you cycle.
This is Chris, guys, by the way. Hey, from Liverpool. Can you tell?
Nope.
And now we get these boats. We're gonna row on the river for a while, and then we get a big boat, probably something like that, with the bikes, and we're gonna see the sunset on the river. So that's gonna be nice. Bye bye. See ya. Yeah. I'm gonna be Raiden from Mortal Kombat, guys.
Shibam, shibam, do 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 do. up, sha-na-na-na, shoot-doot-wee-doot-doot. Da-da-dwee-doot-da-da-ba-dum-dum.
Just got a new bling.
Sweet up, sha-na-na-na, shoot-doot-wee-doot-doot.
Guys, now we take about 15 minutes to the local ferry and we have a big boat come back to Hội An city.
Going on the boat, guys. We're gonna fly the drone on the roof. Yeah, we are.
Let's do this for real. Know you wanna feel great. Wanna take you off the grill and take you off the chair.
Here we go on the boat. Oh, look at this! Wow. Hội An.
Let's do this for real.
And back to the market. Such a good day. Very busy, but such a good day. So totally recommend a holiday like this, guys. Even if you are on your own, just join a group. You're gonna have so much fun and see great things, a lot of things. To be honest, it's not even tiring. I mean, I'm not tired for some strange reasons, but it's really cool. Sorry, I need to document this for G Adventures then. This is our guide, guys.
Such a nice lady.
Right, guys, we're here in the tailor shop for a custom-made dress for Laura. Hội An is quite famous for tailoring, so we got a lot of shops about this stuff. You come in the morning, order your dress, and in the evening,
Done.
what do we do for women?
Whatever they want.
Are you in the sides? No? Okay, it's still the same? Okay. It looks good. I like it. I like it.
Right, we're done here with the tailoring. We move. Here we are, queuing for a sandwich. Like 5 hours. So this is the best place to eat a traditional Vietnamese sandwich.
It's meat and a roll.
So we're getting to this place, which is one of the best places. If I'm not wrong, it was featured in a TV series as well, so you check it out. This is the place. Bang Mai Phuong or Bang Mi Phuong, we don't know. So the tip is, that actually Thang said, there's a lot of you outside, come inside, get a seat, and you'll be served in a few minutes.
And I've got
Well, I did it. I went for beef sandwich and eggs before going to bed. Nice. I see eggs.
That's probably my pork.
That's barbecue.
Well, have a look, see if you can see cheese.
Looks incredible.
Yummy!
Wow, we got spring rolls as well. That was actually supposed to be the starter.
It's now dessert.
Wow, we're done here. Sleep time. All right, people, we leave you here tonight. It's been a long day, but very good fun. And tomorrow's gonna be another long day. Driving, I guess.
I'm cycling.
Again. Right, good night.